Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at another LeetCode problem on linked list. And this problem is actually, the statement itself is very simple. You're just asked to reverse a singly linked list. And to reverse a singly linked list, what we need to do is basically to reverse all the .next nodes. So say if you're looking at a linked list containing 1 pointing to 2 pointing to 3, then the reversed version would be 3 pointing to 2 pointing to 1. So to solve this problem, what we need to do is split and connect. And what does it mean by split and connect? Well, let's think of it as if you have two parts of the linked list. One part representing the already reversed part, and the other part represents the not yet reversed part. So initially, the already reversed part would just have one null node, and the not yet reversed part would be the whole linked list that you're given. And we're going to have a pointer starting from the head of the given linked list, or we could call it the head of the not yet reversed part of the linked list. And then we're going to split this node from the rest of the nodes. And then we're going to connect it to the already reversed portion of the linked list. To connect it, we basically just need to have its .next pointer pointing to the head of the reversed linked list. And we're going to repeat this split and connect action until we have nothing left in the not yet reversed part of the linked list. And now your reversed part of the linked list would contain the reversed version of your original linked list. So now let's take a look at how we could implement it in code. The first thing that we need to do is to create a null node for our already reversed portion. And then we're going to traverse through the given linked list from the head. So like I said, if the head pointer of the not yet reversed linked list is pointing to null, that means we have already reversed all the .next pointers in the given linked list. So we're going to use a while loop, while head. So we're going to repeat the split and connect action until our head pointer is pointing to null. So inside of this while loop, the first thing that we need to do is to split. And after splitting, we need to have a temp pointer that's pointing to your current head's .next, because we don't want to lose the reference to the next node of our head, or else we wouldn't know how to continue traversing through this given linked list. And the next thing that we need to do is to connect our current head to the already reversed portion of the linked list. So we're going to have our head.next pointing to our reversed list. And our reversed list, this variable, it always points to the head of the reversed portion of the linked list. So the next thing that we need to do is to have our reversed list pointing to the head, because head is currently the head of our reversed list, and we want our reversed list to always point to the head of the already reversed list. And the next thing that we need to do is to update our head pointer for our not yet reversed linked list. And since we have already recorded the .next node of our head initially, so we could just have our head equal to temp. And at the end of this function, we need to return reversed list, because reversed list always points to the head of the already reversed portion. So we just return reversed list. And now let's talk about the runtime and the space complexity for this solution. For the runtime, since we're going to traverse through the list, so the runtime is going to be big O of n being the number of nodes in the linked list. And for the space complexity, since we're not storing anything in any extra data structure, so for the space complexity, it's going to be big O of 1. It's constant time. Alright, that completes our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and feel free to try this out. I have added a link to the LeetCode list that I made, which contains all the problems that I've talked about on my channel. So feel free to check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!